Why does Allah delay your dua? Have you ever cried in sujood asking for something, but days, weeks, even months passed and nothing happened? Your dua wasn't rejected. It was heard. It was recorded. But Allah is holding it back, not to punish you, but to give you something better. Sometimes Allah delays the thing to give you the right time, to protect you from harm you don't see, to make you stronger, more grateful, more ready. Indeed, with hardship comes ease. Quran 94:6. Allah's delay is never denial. He knows what your heart needs better than you do. So don't give up. Keep asking, because every sincere dua you make, either Allah gives it, removes a harm, or saves it for Jannah.